Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can access the leave data from your Vacation Tracker account right inside your favorite AI tools. To do so, we'll need to access Vacation Tracker's MCP server, which stands for Model Context Protocol. This is essentially what acts as the bridge between AI client and an external data source. By connecting Vacation Tracker into your AI workspace, you can start to pull in relevant information about employee time off as you begin planning projects, delegating tasks, or even looking for operational gaps. To get started, the first thing you need to do is to copy to the clipboard Vacation Tracker's MCP URL. You can find a copy of it inside our developer docs, which are listed on our website in the footer, or I'll also place it in the description below if you want to copy it from there. Next, you're going to open up your AI tool of choice. While the instructions will vary slightly depending on the tool, it essentially follows the same train of logic. You're going to look to customize the tool, whether it's in the settings or a separate section. There should be an area where you can click on connectors or server access, and then you'll be able to add what's called a custom connector. Here, you're going to paste in the URL we copied before, as well as a name for the custom connector. And then once you click on add, you may be asked to sign into your Vacation Tracker account. And once you confirm it, it should look something like this, where you can see the type of access you're allowed. And now you're free to ask your AI all kinds of questions. Perhaps you're looking to plan a team offsite and you want to see when is the best time to do so. Or maybe you want to visualize everyone's time off in the form of a Gantt chart. Or even maybe you're looking for some operational gaps in your company where people are taking time off at the same time. The only limitation here is going to be your imagination. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about accessing our MCP server in regards to specific tools, then feel free to check out our MCP page that is currently live on our website. I'll also put that link in the description. Here, you'll find detailed instructions for the most popular AI tools and how you can get it set up right away. And of course, if you run into any issues whatsoever when setting up your own access, then don't be shy about reaching out to our support team, either via chat or email.